In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a CR123A rechargeable battery for Arlo cameras. If you're like me and you've got like an Arlo camera set up and you need to keep replacing these batteries, which is about every month for me, by the way, I went ahead and got me a rechargeable set, so that way when they go dead, I can just take them down, take the batteries out, put them in the charger, and then put them back up, and I'm all good to go. And looking at, let's just kind of like go over the box here. You know, they've come up to 2,000 cycles before they need to be replaced. They are 10 years of shelf life, anti-reversing protection, overvoltage protection, overheated protected, overcharge protection. You know, I did kind of open them up here and look at them and put them back for the purpose of this video. But in this box right here, you get 8 of them because I have 2 cameras. Here is the little charger that came with it. And then looking at the charger, you open it up here. You do not get a cable with the charger, but oh yeah, check it out. I didn't even see that. So you see how that cable, I love how the cable's built in right there. You just plug it into a USB-A, slide your batteries in, and you are good to go. So to put them in the charger, you're really just going to go like this. You can see how there's a plus and minus right there. They're going to slide in like that. And then let me take a power bank, plug it in, and you see that it is charging. See how it's charging up right there? Is that not? Now, obviously, you wouldn't use a power bank. You just plug it into a wall. But I'm just wanting to show y'all how this works. And this is a great kit because you get the charger and the batteries with it. So you can't go wrong. So, yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the CR123 battery kit. See y'all in the next video.